Excel provides functions like replace and substitute that empowers user to modify text contents within cells. These functions are incredibly useful for tasks like replacing specific characters or substrings, correcting errors, and adapting data to fit desired formats. Whether we need to update addresses, correct typos, or adjust formatting, these functions offer efficient ways to manage text data. In this worksheet, we are going to perform four tasks mentioned in front of us with the help of replace and substitute function. The replace function is used to replace a specific portion of text with another text within a given string. It is based on the position of the text. To apply it, there are various methods. There is replace function, then in the editing tools of home tab, we have find and select, and from there as well we can have access to replace function, or we can simply press Ctrl H. So first let us use replace function. Now the first argument is old text. Now what we want to replace AB by PD. So the start number of A is 5th, number of characters 2, and we want to replace it with PD. So within inverted commas, PD. Enter. Now we want to replace 8th character by 7. So again, with replace function, first argument the old text, then start number is 8. We want to replace one character with new text which is 7. Enter. So earlier it was 4321, now it is 7321. And now the third task is to replace plus by minus. So for this, we will press Ctrl H, and now we want it to find plus, replace it with minus, and now with the help of find next, we are going to find the plus sign. So it is currently referring to cell A8, which is the correct cell, and now we'll simply click on replace. There you go. It has simply replaced plus character by minus. With the help of find and replace, we can also replace any specific text from the whole sheet in one go. So let's say we want to replace all the minuses with plus. So we will simply click on replace all. So all done. Excel has made 9 replacements. So all are changed from minus to plus. So I'll just press Ctrl Z to undo. Now similar to replace function, we have another function which is substitute function. Its working is quite similar to replace function, but here we can specify the specific instance. So let me explain this to you. Now the text will be the first argument, which is cell A8. Now what do we want to replace, which is old text, that is minus. We want to replace it by plus, and we want to replace minus of the second instance, that is the one which is in between OP minus 9012. So we'll mention 2 here, which denotes second instance. Close the parenthesis, enter. So that's how we use replace and substitute function. Both these are powerful ways to modify text data in Excel.